Nothing like some delicious protein to get you going for the day, right, Andrew?
What's that? Protein shake time.
It'll be easier. Come here. Well, just go type it in.
What's that? To make it chug.
You got it.
Kind of went down the wrong. Hold on.
You got it.
You got it. Can you see me getting bigger?
Yeah.
You got it. What you doing?
Getting Easter candy?
You got me candy? The weekly World of Candy Trying.
How'd you nothing?
Oh. Hey, what are you doing?
Glaring at you.
I'm not videoing.
Liar.
You're very photogenic.
You're supposed to be getting...
Squirrel! Okay. How's it going, Andrew?
It's going.
What is happening? So we are getting the car wash. Took it down some muddy roads. And it got a little sloppy. Oh, it's light! Getting the old car washed. Kermit's Super Wash on 2nd Street. We're mulching away. They needed a little extra mulch, so I brought them out some mulch. This is like cinematography. I don't think I'm saying it very right.
Cinematography.
Thank you. Pretty cool little water feature here. This is the church that I attend in Central City. Church opened up last year. We installed this paver entrance, a fun little paver patio over there. Victor's top dressing with a little bit of mulch. Pretty cool project.
Look at that church, isn't that beautiful?
Ace is the place for the friends that help have a store for you.
I'm not sure that's how it goes.
Okay. All right, so you got to meet our plumbers. Here's our electricians, Casey Electric, out of Grand Island. They do all of our electrical work for us, getting electricity to Palmless Waterfalls, grilling islands, all types of fun stuff. So this is their company. It's who we use. So we were going to pimp them up a little bit. Casey Electric, we're going to go talk to them. Cool thing I like they have here, Proverbs 16:9. He is a great man and a godly man. So we like Mr. Casey Electric. Here you are.
What's up, dude?
What's going on?
Hey. Yeah! Look at the elbow. That's the ticket.
Elbow. This is Mike Casey. Casey Electric. Anything
up,
you
guys?
want to tell the interwebs of YouTube?
Just happy to be here. Get you started on your remodel. Got 2 top electricians here with us today, and you're getting awfully close to my face, man. Can you smell the coffee this morning? It was great. Andy England is our head superintendent, field foreman, and Kellen Warner, he's an apprentice electrician, takes on a lot of foreman responsibilities as well. So,
Cool.
yeah. Come on, is it off yet?
Oh, no, I'm zooming in a little bit closer on your face. It only zooms in that far.
Show me how close that's. Do you do a selfie? Let me play with this thing for a while.
He's got two. Hello.
Hey, what's up?
Not much.
There's KC Electric here. It looks like they're pulling some wires up.
Already pulled up.
They're jamming. Pull. What? Who's it? Oh, we got Andy. Oh, look at that. He's putting a sub panel in. What's up, buddy?
How's it going?
Pretty good. A lot of wires in there.
Yep, there is.
We have all of our new team that's here. Minus Keen, that he got in a little accident yesterday. So we make it awkward for their first day. Should you introduce yourself and tell us why you decided to work here?
All right. My name is Derek Breckville. I guess I'm always outside anyways, and I just kind of figured why not incorporate that into something I can do over the summer instead of being stuck inside every day and
Nice.
learn something new while I'm at it.
Cool.
Hi, I'm Maria.
Victor, I have one kid, 7 months, about to be 8.
Well, I am Jeremy. Let's see. I don't know if that's gonna work or not. Can you see me?
Yeah.
Jeremy, this is our 10th year in business. We've done a lot of things to change the way we run things this year, and I know it's going to pay dividends for everyone. So I'm looking forward to a great year. I got 3 little girls. We got to go to Raymond this weekend for a Destination Imagination competition that our girls took 2nd place. And Highway 66 turns into a gravel road on your way to Lincoln. Like and it rained, and I had the trailer, and it was really interesting getting to there. And I almost ran out of fuel too, and there's no gas stations around there. So it was really fun though. Really fun seeing that.
Tony Larchik. Been here a month, seems longer. Enjoy working here a lot. It's my favorite job so far I've had.
Win.
About it. That's about it.
Okay.
My name is Jaden, and I suppose this weekend I went to go see Beauty and the Beast musical twice.
Oh, twice.
Yeah, one too many. And I mean, I just started working a week ago at this company, and it's been pretty fair ever since. And I really like the things we're doing, honestly. Yeah.
Okay, it's me, Ruben.
Okay, it's me, Ruben.
I'm Andrew Frankfurter. Do a lot of the design work. I've been here for, this will be my 3rd year. And I just enjoy landscaping in general.
How was the birthday party?
It was pretty good. It was rainy, but
Were they stoked on the Imagine Dragons?
yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, so we had like a dozen kids packed into our house on Saturday.
Sweet.
Yeah, it was great.
The team working here, I've never seen this before in my life. Double fisting it with blowers. She doesn't even know I'm videoing her right now. They are mulching away. Jocelyn's one of our new employees. Got Jaden up there, new employees now. There's Tony! There's Tony right there! That can't be taught. You can't teach that. Double blowing, right? There we go. We got the Winfrey team. Winfrey, Nick's the owner. Nate's one of his employees. They actually do all of our plumbing needs for us when we do outdoor fire pits, fireplaces, fire rocks, outdoor kitchens. So they are actually at our house today. I thought I would introduce you to them here real quick. So here's Nate. Oh great. You mind being on our vlog? Sure. So they're working on our upstairs. Like I said, they do all of our plumbing for Volchet Gardens. But we have him at our house today in our attic where he is doing some plumbing for us. Got anything to say, Mr. Nate?
Nope.
Man of many words. He's usually a lot more talkative, but I think he's got some stage fright here.
Put me on the spot here, guys.
And then right now you have that existing patio, the concrete patio with the big bugo pine up there, and then the walkway that comes around. So we have a bubbling water feature right here, so it's a stacked slate urn. And I went ahead and made those existing trees mature. So that's what they'd be like, larger. And coming around the path, and you can see this, instead of having the small little step walking out, I made a landing for it, so then that way it's a lot more convenient. You don't have to walk down on just a little itsy bitsy step.
That's me sitting and waiting for
For whatever's cooking.
Thank you for watching vlog number 5. I hope you had a good time watching this vlog. Once again, we'll be doing lots and lots of spring cleanups, meeting new clients for jobs to book this season. So you're gonna see that more and more as we roll these. However, Keena did start doing some stuff at a project we finished last year. Got us a couple touch-up things to do there. So we will do a vlog of that next week. Get ready for some awesome stuff with that one. So once again, what do you gotta do? Subscribe, boop, like, and share our vlog so we can get more and more viewers to show you guys the life of Volchek Gardens in Chapman, Nebraska.